Money matters can be puzzling, and the journey to financial well-being often feels like navigating a maze. Imagine trying to put together a jigsaw puzzle without seeing the complete picture. It can be overwhelming. This is a tale about my journey through the financial maze, where I stumbled upon 7 life-changing lessons that transformed my relationship with money. We all know money doesn't grow on trees, but understanding how to make it work for you can make a world of difference. Think of personal finance as your toolkit for navigating the complexities of money management. Just like any other skill, it's something we can learn and improve upon. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 personal finance lessons that became my guiding lights. These are not complex theories or fancy jargon. Instead, they are simple, practical insights that anyone can grasp. From the importance of emergency fund to the power of investing for the future, each lesson is like adding a piece to the financial puzzle. I'm no financial guru, just someone who discovered that a bit of knowledge and a few smart habits can lead to big changes. So, if you're ready to demystify personal finance and take control of your financial journey, let's dive into these 7 lessons that made all the difference for me. Lesson 1. Pay yourself first. This means that every time you receive income, you should set aside a portion of it for yourself before you pay any bills or expenses. This is the most important rule of personal finance, because it ensures that you are saving and investing for your future. You can start with 10% of your income and gradually increase it as you earn more. The key is to make it automatic, so you don't have to think about it or be tempted to spend it. Why is paying yourself first so important? Because it helps you build wealth, achieve your financial goals, and prepare for any emergencies. By paying yourself first, you are prioritizing your long-term well-being over your short-term desires. You are also taking advantage of the power of compound interest, which means that your money grows faster over time. Paying yourself first is not selfish. It is smart. It is the best way to secure your financial future and live a fulfilling life. Lesson 2. Live below your means. This means that you should spend less than you earn and avoid unnecessary debt. Living below your means allows you to save more, invest more, and have more financial flexibility. It also reduces your stress and anxiety, because you don't have to worry about making ends meet or paying off high-interest debt. You can live below your means by creating a realistic budget, tracking your spending, and cutting out any expenses that don't add value to your life. How can living below your means change your life? Because it helps you achieve financial peace, freedom, and happiness. By living below your means, you are not letting money control you, but rather using money as a tool to support your goals and dreams. You are also living within your limits and not comparing yourself to others or falling for consumerism. Living below your means is not boring. It is liberating. It is the best way to enjoy your money and live a meaningful life. Lesson 3. Have an emergency fund. This means that you should have a stash of cash that can cover at least 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. In case of an unexpected emergency, having an emergency fund can protect you from financial shocks, such as losing your job, getting sick, or having a car breakdown. It can also prevent you from relying on credit cards or loans, which can put you in a cycle of debt. You can build your emergency fund by saving a small amount every month until you reach your goal. Why is having an emergency fund so important? Because it helps you cope with uncertainty, stress, and fear. By having an emergency fund, you are prepared for the worst-case scenarios, and you can handle them without panicking or compromising your financial security. You are also able to take advantage of opportunities, such as investing in a bargain, starting a business, or traveling the world. Having an emergency fund is not optional. It is essential. It is the best way to safeguard your money and live a worry-free life. Lesson 4. Invest in yourself. This means that you should spend time and money on improving your skills, knowledge, and health. Investing in yourself can increase your income potential, your career opportunities, and your personal satisfaction. It can also help you achieve your goals and dreams, and make a positive impact on the world. You can invest in yourself by taking courses, reading books, attending seminars, hiring a coach, or joining a mastermind group. Why is investing in yourself so important? Because it helps you grow, learn, and evolve. By investing in yourself, you are constantly expanding your horizons, discovering new possibilities, and overcoming your limitations. You are also enhancing your value, credibility, and confidence, which can attract more opportunities and success. Investing in yourself is not selfish. It is wise. It is the best way to fulfill your potential and live a rewarding life. Lesson 5. Diversify your income. This means that you should have multiple sources of income, instead of relying on one. Diversifying your income can reduce your risk, increase your cash flow, and accelerate your wealth creation. It can also give you more freedom, flexibility, and fulfillment, because you can pursue your passions and interests without being tied to a single job or employer. You can diversify your income by starting a side hustle, creating a product, offering a service, or building a portfolio of assets. Why is diversifying your income so important? Because it helps you adapt, survive, and thrive in any economic situation. By diversifying your income, you are not putting all your eggs in one basket, but rather spreading them across different baskets. You are also creating multiple streams of income, which can compound and grow over time. Diversifying your income is not greedy. It is smart. It is the best way to leverage your money and live an abundant life. Lesson 6. Pay off your debt. This means that you should eliminate any debt that is costing you more than it is earning you, such as credit cards, personal loans, or car loans. Paying off your debt can free up your cash flow, improve your credit score, and save you thousands of dollars in interest. It can also boost your confidence, peace of mind, and happiness, because you don't have to worry about owing money to anyone. You can pay off your debt by using the debt snowball or debt avalanche method, or by consolidating or refinancing your debt. Why is paying off your debt so important? Because it helps you avoid the negative consequences of debt, such as stress, anxiety, depression, or bankruptcy. By paying off your debt, you are taking control of your finances and not letting them control you. You are also creating more room for saving, investing, and spending on things that matter to you. Paying off your debt is not easy, but it is worth it. It is the best way to reclaim your money and live a debt-free life. Lesson 7. Invest in the stock market. This means that you should buy shares of companies that you believe in and hold them for the long term. Investing in the stock market can help you grow your money, beat inflation, and achieve financial independence. It can also expose you to new ideas, trends, and opportunities, and make you a part owner of some of the most successful businesses in the world. You can invest in the stock market by opening a brokerage account, choosing a strategy, and following a plan. Why is investing in the stock market so important? Because it helps you harness the power of compounding, diversification, and innovation. By investing in the stock market, you are letting your money work for you, and not the other way around. You are also spreading your risk across different sectors, industries, and regions, and benefiting from the growth and progress of humanity. Investing in the stock market is not gambling. It is smart. Hope you found this video valuable. Kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this.